Hello guys, good morning people. Nandito na tayo sa ating bahay. Home sweet home guys. Ito yung maliit kong sala. TV sitting to guys. Ito yung aking maliit na sitting room. Dito kami nagpapahinga or nanonood ng TV. Yeah, ito yung maliit kong sitting room guys. Ito yung aking mga konting display guys. Tayo na Pilipino, mahilig tayo sa simple things. Ayan po. Ito yung aking apartment guys. Maliit lang siya pero maliwalas guys. Nandiyan yung aking Chinese bamboo guys. Yeah. At ito yung aking small decoration guys. Sa aking home sweet home. My little home. At least meron tayong pinagpapahingahan guys pag nagdi-day off tayo. Yeah, ito po yun guys. At dito kami umuupo. Yan. Ito yung aking simple home. Yep guys. At nandun din yung sa loob ko ang aking bamboo. Makalat lang siya guys. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Always positive lang tayo guys. Malayo tayo sa ating pamilya. God bless all guys. Love you.